When you come to Mind the Product, you remember just kind of how big the product community is, and I get really energized by that.
It's my favourite conference of the year. It's like my shot up the bum of product management-ness. It's just nice to remind ourselves that we're not the only person doing this job, and I just come away really inspired every year by this conference.
It's one of the few times that you actually get together with other PMs and talk product management. So I find just being in this kind of environment with lots of other people who care about the craft itself very rewarding.
I'm always amazed by how global the conference is.
You've got people from all over the world here, product managers from literally everywhere. And I think London is the ideal place to be there. It's a melting pot, so what better place to come to?
Whenever you have a community of people whose job is similar, but you could share different perspectives, I think that's very enriching.
There is something special just about the buzz that people get. You know, the speakers are great and the talks are great, but it's the conversations that happen around that are really exciting as well. And just kind of like sharing stories and learning things from other people, I think it's a really, really unique and exciting thing.
Product is ever evolving, so it's really good to find out the new things going on, new ways of working, and how we can do our job better.
When I come to Mind the Product, they're all the people that I should know, but don't yet. And so it feels like talking to my kin. It feels like talking to family.
This was definitely the best conference. I've been to. Incredible speakers today.
You just kind of feel like everyone's in there together. You feel really validated.
I really recommend this event because people from different countries we communicate and we share our experience, so it's great.
I love their vision, the mission, build products people love, and that's really something I try to bring back into the company which we work for.
This is like the ultimate yearly event that happens for product people. This is kind of like our Lollapalooza.